Hi guys, welcome. My name is Robert Barry, and today I want to do updated review the $25 one up and how it is important to have the right mindset when going into business. All right, and so guys, right now we're looking at a post that I would have made a few weeks ago. As you can see here, I had a $25 day. And so guys, if you're looking to earn an extra income online with this system, it is very easy. Training is provided. There are no monthly fees. The pay is instant. Okay, there's multiple ways for you to collect your commissions, whether it be Zelly, Google Pay, app, PayPal, authorized net. There are many different ways in order for you to be able to collect your monies. All right, and I want to say something as it relates to having the right mindset. I'll have you guys to know that I've been a part of $25 one up for maybe little over a year now. And to be quite honest with you guys, when I first joined the business, I was jumping from one opportunity to another opportunity and not truly sticking with the business and having any results at all. I became overwhelmed and frustrated, and so I didn't do anything with this business. And so one day I decided to pick the business back up, dive into the back office, into the training. I must say the training is very superb. When you come in on the diamond level especially, it really gets down into the nitty gritty of advertising the business on social media platforms. Okay, and I'm talking about as far as Google, Facebook, Instagram, etc. The trading in the back there are top notch. And so if you guys are interested in doing partnering with me and earning an extra income in line, my website link is going to be right at the bottom. And so I just want to touch more further on mindset, right? And so up until this point, I didn't make any commissions online. And so I said to myself I would pick the business back up, and a couple of days into April, I just dive into the training. And so I started to market the business. I started to implement what was being taught in the back office. Okay, and as you guys can see here, I had $125 day. And so coincidentally, I was able to get instant access to those funds. And I was heading to the door because we all know we're in a pandemic right now. And I was able to go and collect those funds and purchase groceries to feed myself during the lockdown. And so that was an aha moment for me, so to speak, within my business. From this date to now, I was able to make over $400 leveraging this system. My income is going to grow, and I would like to invite as many of you with me on this journey. And so I'm going to be documenting my journey with this business. I love the community. They're vibrant. All of the leaders are very helpful. And so I'm going to continue to do updated videos to maybe help someone that is struggling within their business. Okay. And so what I want to do right now, I'm just going to go scroll through the Facebook group so you guys can see that there are other persons out there that are having amazing success with this business. And say you can see that this member is now crossed the 10K mark. And so big shout outs to him. He's crushing his business. All right. And this company has paid out over $1 million in commissions already. Here's this member, Ahmad. He's crossed over into the 20K club. All right. Here's another member just joined recently, Amir. He had a $25 day. He has made $100 all time and 75 bucks within the last 30 days. And so guys, I just did this so you guys can see that there are members that are having great success with this business. Persons are joining in, they're diving into the training, and they're implementing what they're being trained in the back office. All right. And so right now we are in the back office of my system, my $25 one-up system. And I just want to briefly show you guys what you get when you come into the gold level package, right? And then I move on into the platinum, and then I want to show you guys some more income results and some of the funnels really quickly. All right. So right now we're in the gold level, right, which is 25 bucks. And so to get to the gold level, you're going to pay the $10 admin fee, and the admin fee will go towards the hosting of this site, keeping all of your data. All right. So you guys can see we're in the gold level. Like I said, we have 18 educational digital packages that you get access to once you come in on the gold level, right? And so I just want to show you guys really quick, for those that are not tech savvy, you're new into the business, I want to show you where you can get ad copy to post along with your business. And so if you're creating an ad on Facebook, all right, let's just grab this one. You would be able to just copy this, go on over to Facebook, and paste it with a link with a picture that drives traffic to your website. All right. This is just one of the things that you get with your gold level packages. You have Facebook group cheat sheet, you have mindset motivation, you get the business training, you have all kind of tools that are in here. You have cold script calls, you have ad posts, all of these things. You have hundreds and hundreds of ad copy that you can just simply copy and paste, right? You have Facebook posts and tweets, right? I want to go over real quick to what you get with the platinum. Now this is where the nuts and bolts are. You're talking about Facebook training. Look at the amount of Facebook videos that is in the back of here, right? Facebook training, Facebook training, Facebook training, nuts and bolts, ladies and gentlemen. Let's check out YouTube. All right, here we go. We have YouTube videos, Instagram. So guys, it's all about training. I dive into this stuff, I digest this stuff, and I'm implementing it. I just want to show you guys some of the funnels real quick, right? So here's some of the capture pages that you guys once you partner with me, you guys can come in here and grab all of your capture pages. This one here is sending a buzz within the industry right now. I'll show you guys it. All right, so this one is very good for Facebook. The easiest way to start earning daily payments of $25, $100, $250, $500, and even $1,000. And you have persons that are making multiple $1,000, multiple $100, multiple $250, $100, $25, because this business is very unique, because of the mere fact that there are no monthly fees, and so you guys don't have that added pressure at the end of every month worrying about maintaining your monthly subscription, right? And so I think that is a very high selling point for advertising this business. Like I said, in a little over a month, I was able to earn about $450 up to this video, and I'm sure within the next 30 days that probably is gonna quadruple. So like I said, if you guys are out there and you're looking to partner with me, or you're interested in making an extra income online, please go ahead and click the link for more information. I'm also going to put my Facebook link in there for persons that are interested in as well. All right, so you guys be safe. Look out for another video shortly. Be sure to send some likes, send some hearts, share the video. Thank you guys.